Welcome to our latest video where we unveil the top 5 websites for converting text into captivating images. In today's digital age, visual content is king, and these platforms empower you to effortlessly transform your words into striking visuals that engage your audience like never before. Let's dive in. First tool that convert your text into image is Bing. It's like magic, you type something, and Bing turns it into a cool picture. It's perfect for school projects, making fun pictures for your friends, or adding a little flair to your social media posts. You just need to open a browser. Just type in Bing AI. To create an image, click the image creator from Microsoft Designer. You can type your prompt and then click on Generate. You will receive your generated image. Click the download button to download. The second best tool for text to image is Adobe Firefly. Imagine a smart assistant that transforms your words into beautiful pictures. It's the coolest tool because it uses super smart tech to understand what you want and then makes it happen. You just need to open a browser. Just type in Adobe Firefly. Click the website that appears first. Scroll down the page and click on Create with Firefly. Type your prompt and your pictures will be generated. A third best AI tool to convert text to images is Imagine AI. There is no doubt that Imagine AI is a magical wand for that. It's super easy, just type in your words, and bam! Imagine AI transforms words into cool images. Give it a try and let your imagination soar. Just open a browser. Type Imagine AI into the search box. Click on the Imagine AI art generator. Type your prompt in the search box, then click on Generate. It will generate your pictures. You can download the file by clicking here. Our fourth AI text-to-image is Lenzgo. Say hello to Lenzgo AI, your ultimate text-to-image companion. With Lenzgo AI, transforming your text into captivating visuals is a breeze. It's like having a virtual artist by your side, turning your ideas into stunning masterpieces in seconds. You just need to open a browser. Just type in Lenzgo AI. Click the website that appears first. Click on Create Images. Type your prompt here. Then click on Generate. Your pictures will be generated. Our fifth and last and my favorite text-to-image tool is Leonardo AI. With Leonardo, making beautiful images is as easy as pie. Just type your words and watch them transform into stunning visuals. It's like having a magic paintbrush at your fingertips. Simply open a web browser. Enter Leonardo AI. Click the website that appears first. Then click Create an account. Every day, you will receive 150 credits. Click on Image Generation. In the search box, type your prompt. Click on Generate and your pictures will be generated. The image can be downloaded by clicking here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on digital tools and creativity. Let us know in the comments which website you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching.